Folks, this is baked fennel. When this is cooked up just right, you have the perfect accompaniment to any main dish. Beautiful, sweet, and delicious. Today I'm going to make some baked fennel. Now, baked fennel is a delicious, delicious vegetable dish. It works well with almost any other dish. You can put this with duck, chicken, beef, fish, whatever you want to put it with, and it really comes out well. When it's cooked right, it becomes sweet and very delicious. Folks, that's this thing. If you've ever seen one of these in the market, guess what? That's a fennel bulb right down here. Some people call the leaves of this and the seeds anise, and of course that's really cool. It gives a wonderful flavor that is just absolutely remarkable. When this is cooked right, it should be tender and soft and delicate and very easy to chew. If you don't cook it right, it can be as tough as shoe leather. So let me show you how to do this. This is baked fennel. Come on. Folks, this dish is easy enough. It is the fennel bulb. Now the green part, you can use that also. You'll slice it thin and put it in soups, stews, salads, or whatever. But remember, it's very fibrous. The whole thing is. And if it's not cooked right, it's kind of tough. If you cook it right, it's very tender and gentle and soft and wonderful. I have here also some Parmesan cheese, salt, and some olive oil. If you would like, you can also use butter in this, but I like just using the olive oil. I think it works really well for me. Now folks, this is a very easy thing. We just need to cut open the bulb, put it in the oven at 350 and get it cooking. We need to go ahead and get our bulb prepared for cooking, and this is a very simple thing. The first thing, we just have to remove the stalks up here, and I'm going to do that just like so. Very easy. Now save these. Like I said, they can be used in other dishes. The other thing that we want to do is we're going to turn this over and direct our attention to the bottom. I want to remove that callus and the bottom of these leaves. Now folks, this is very dense, a very tough vegetable, so you're going to be having to push that knife firmly. Be careful as you work this. You can quarter this, but I find it works just fine if you simply have it just like so. And I'm going to cook these two halves just like this. All right? I have placed a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of my dish here. So I want to take my fennel and just put it right down inside of this. It really doesn't matter how it goes in there, folks. There we go. I'm going to hit this with some olive oil. I want a little bit of salt, not a lot, because I'm about to put Parmesan cheese in here, and the Parmesan cheese has a lot of salt in it. There we go. I just want to top these with Parmesan. It gives it a wonderful additional flavor. It also helps to kind of seal in some of the moisture as it's cooking. Comes out very nice. Okay, it's as simple as we cover this, get it in the oven. Okay, let's get this down in our oven. All right, there we go. It's down in the oven, 350 degrees. It's going to be about an hour or more, okay? So it depends on the size of the fennel and, well, just different variables. Some of them are a little more tough than others, but once they're cooked up, they're tender and wonderful. You need to use a fork to check it. If the fork slides in easily and you can tell that it's tender, it's done. All right, until then, just let it keep cooking and be patient. And remember, this works well with almost any other dish. I'm looking forward. Alrighty, this is now fresh out of the oven. Oh yes, beautiful. It has become quite tender, and like I said, the good old fork test. Let's put a fork in there. See how easy it slid in and out? That's what you're looking for right there. Yes. go. A beautiful baked fennel. It is a very simple, delicious, elegant side dish. This is wonderful as I mentioned, it's very sweet. The flavors. Hard to describe fennel. In the background, there is a flavor, not the same as, but reminiscent of licorice. It's not like strong, it's just there. It's just sweet. And it goes so well with the overall flavor of the vegetable. It is just really good. You put that olive oil with it and a little bit of cheese, you get the contrasting flavor there. And folks, this is a delicious one. Please try your fennel. Baked fennel is delicious and it is well worth your time to enjoy cooking it up. Very simple to do, elegant, and memorable. Oh yeah. Mmm.